In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the smoke on your fireplace brick. What I'm using here is Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner. I tried using other cleaners and they weren't doing anything to the smoke at all. Tried using a wire brush, but that was taking a little bit too much time and it was a lot more difficult to get off. I was getting ready to try muriatic acid. That's what the bricklayers use to clean the brick after they're done with the mortar. But I didn't want to have the chemicals in the house. Then I decided to try the scrubbing bubbles. I tried a small spot with the scrubbing bubbles and the smoke came right off. So now I'm going to try it on a larger area. I let the scrubbing bubbles sit for about 10 minutes. Then I took regular house cleaner. In my case, it was called Fabuloso. Then I sprayed it on the areas where I had the scrubbing bubbles. Then I took a scrub brush and scrubbed the areas that I sprayed the scrubbing bubbles on. Then I sprayed more cleaner on and started patting off the brick with paper towels. And the spray cleaner is basically acting as an extra cleaner but also a rinsing agent. I needed to rub the brick, so I switched over to a rag. The paper towel was falling apart. I had to spray it a few more times and keep scrubbing. But it wasn't that difficult and it was not a big mess. I will say I had to work a little bit harder on the mortar because I kind of soaked up a little bit more of the smoke, but eventually that came clean as well. Now after cleaning this, I looked at some of my options and it turned out I didn't really have to clean this at all because I'm going to resurface this fireplace with natural stone. The room this fireplace is in, I'm getting ready to remodel. I'm going to turn this into a home gym. You can follow along with me here on my YouTube channel. You can also follow along with me on my blog at www.doityourselfwithjoe.com. Here's the before and after. Until next time, thanks for watching.